Hello friends and teachers, I am going to show my cost accounting video presentation. My name is Abhishek Tomar. I am from Morning BBA. I am Morning A from BBA. My topic is activity based costing. Managerial accounting basics. Managerial accounting is also called as management accounting. Is a field of accounting that provides economic and financial information for managers and other internal users. Managerial accounting applies to all types of business: corporation, providerships, partnership, not-for-profit. Traditional cost system allocates overhead using a single predetermined rate. First, job order costing. Direct labor is assumed to be relevant activity base. Second, process costing. Machine hour is relevant activity base. Assumption was satisfactory when direct labor was major portion of total manufacturing cost. Wide acceptance of a high correlation between direct labor and overhead cost. The need for a new approach. Tremendous change. First point. Tremendous change in a manufacturing and service industry. Second, decrease in amount of direct labor usage. Third, significant increase in total overhead cost. Fourth, inappropriate to use plant wide predetermined overhead rates when a lack of correlation exists. Fifth, complex manufacturing process may require multiple allocation bases. This approach is called activity-based costing (ABC). You can show the example: traditional one-share costing system, overhead costing, direct labor of hours of or dollars of products. Activity-based costing allocates overhead to multiple activity cost pools and assign the activity cost pools to products or services by means of cost drivers. Activity based costing is the three types. Activity first, any event, action, transaction or work sequence that incurs cost when producing a product or provide a service. Second, activity cost pool, the overhead cost contributed to a distinct type of activity, for example, ordering materials or setting up a machines. Cost drivers, any factor of activity that have a direct cause effect relationship with the resource consumed. Activity based costing, there are the two stages. Overhead cost in two stages, sorry. First stage, overhead costs are allocated to activity cost pools. Second stage, the overhead cost allocated to cost pool assigned the product using cost drivers. The more complex a product manufacturing operation, the more activity and cost drivers likely to be present. There's the example over there. Activity cost pools. There are the overhead costs. There are the four types: purchasing, storing, machines, and supervising. In the cost drivers, there are the number of force cost drivers, number of purchase orders, amount of square footage, number of machine hours, number of employees. This shows how the work is related to cost drivers. C. In the activity based costing system design, there are many activity cost pools and cost drivers. You can see there the overhead cost in the under there are the many activity cost pools. At least 7 cost pools over there, and they are the number same as the number of cost drivers 7. First, in the cost pool, first ordering and receiving material cost from pool. In the cost driver, in the under, number of purchase order. Setting of machine cost pool, in the under, number of setups. Machine cost pool, in the under of machines hours. Assembly cost pool, number of parts. Inspecting testing cost pool, and number of tests. C. There are the fucks and becomes a products. So they are the illustration. Atlas company produced, like for example, um, Atlas company produced two automobile and safety device. First, the boat, a high volume item with sales of totaling 25,000 per year. The curb, a low volume item with sales of totaling 5,000 per year. Each product requires 1 hour of direct labor. Total annual direct labor DLH 30,000 plus equals to matlab per unit. The club $30 per unit. There are the four types of activity based accounting. First, identifying classifying the major activities and allocate manufacturing overhead cost to the private cost pools. Second, identify the cost driver that has strong uh, correlation to the cost in the cost pool. Compute the overhead rate for each pool. Assign overhead cost for each cost to products using the overhead rates. There's a step 1. Overhead cost assigned directly labor to productivity cost. Step 2. The cost driver must accurately measure the actual consumption of the activity by the various products. And thank you.